Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view your calendars while still offline. If you go to the General Settings page, way down near the bottom, you'll find Offline. Right, and what this does, as it says, is view my calendars while offline. Reminders and tasks aren't shown offline. If you're the type of person who wants access to that kind of stuff even when you're offline, just turn this on. All right, then you'll be able to see it while you're still offline. And notice it does say not recommended on public or shared computers. If you want to learn more, you can click on this link. However, if you're not always online, but you want to be able to access your events and meetings so you know when to be at certain places, it probably would be a good idea to have this on. When you do click it on, apparently you do have to reload your calendar, so I did that. This is what happens. Go back down. Not really anything has changed. It's just sort of changed the settings and updated it for me. But now I'll be able to see my calendars while I'm still offline.